Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in mobile marketing, we'll discuss about loyalty programs. What are loyalty programs? Why loyalty programs are extensively used by manufacturers and retailers, and what are the benefits that the consumer can enjoy out of these loyalty programs. Let's check them out. What are loyalty programs, or what is a loyalty program in the first place? A loyalty program basically is a reward program offered to loyal customers who shop regularly. Now, in a highly competitive world, in a highly competitive market, what companies are basically doing it, they are innovating their marketing strategies. The marketing strategy innovation has become imperative for them to attract more and more customers, to retain the old customers, and to get more and more conversions. And because of the fact that there is highly competitive market out there and customer retention has become extremely important, companies, manufacturers and retailers are offering these loyalty programs to the end user, to the consumer, so that they can attract, retain and offer a lot of benefits to their customers who shop regularly. It means the valued customers. If I go to a particular online website and I buy certain products from a particular company repeatedly, it means I am becoming actually a loyal customer to a particular brand. And since they recognize me as a loyal customer and they offer me this loyalty program so that I can get more and more discounts when I purchase with them regularly. A loyalty program may consist of a preferential treatment for new products, offerings, discounts, sales coupons or free delivery. Now, these loyalty programs consist of various other options that the companies are offering me for the customer. It can be a preferential treatment in terms of new products or offerings, it can be discounts, it can be sales coupons or it can be free delivery. And these are the various options, these are the various benefits that the companies, the manufacturers and retailers are offering me because I am a loyal customer to their company, to their products. Sometimes if I buy a particular product, they may give actually a free delivery. So if I buy a particular product, they may actually offer me a free coupon or they may give me a preferential treatment when a new product is launched. So these are the various benefits that the companies are offering me when I buy a particular product from that particular brand, and these are basically what loyalty programs are all about. How loyalty programs actually work? Loyalty programs offer different from industry to industry and sector to sector. Each industry, each sector, each niche have their own way of actually offering the loyalty programs. Airlines offer miles and points accrued over a period of time and can be redeemed. Let's say for example, there are multiple airlines and there is a lot of competition out there in the airline industry. What happens is, if I choose a particular airline to fly regularly, they offer me the miles and the points. If I travel from one place to another place, I buy a ticket from that particular airline and they offer me certain miles based on the number of kilometers I have traveled. If I continuously use that particular airline for various travels, then all the points are accumulated, all the miles are accumulated, and then once I reach a certain point where 1000 miles or 1500 miles or 2000 point is reached, I may get actually a free ticket from that particular airline. And that is precisely what loyalty programs are all about. Consumers offer discount coupons. Sometimes if I buy a particular product from a particular company, if I buy it regularly, they offer me the discount coupons. Loyalty programs can also be free add-on gifts or purchase. If I buy a particular product, a company may give me an add-on free gift. These are the various types that the various industries, sectors, niche and domains offer various kind of loyalty programs different from one another. It can be a free gift, it can be a free coupon, it can be a free ticket. And these are basically what loyalty programs are all about. How actually this loyalty program benefit the companies and the end users? Customer engagement, more and more customer engagement. If I am choosing a particular airline to fly repeatedly, they give me a free ticket at some point of time and they are retaining me as a valued customer. Delighting customers, making the customers happy, free gifts, free delivery, these are some of the loyalty programs that the companies used in delighting the customers. Improved efficiency, increased productivity. The companies are benefiting immensely by offering these loyalty programs to the end user, to the customer, to the loyal customers. Brand identity, customer referrals. A company brand identity is created, and this brand identity helps the companies in actually getting customer referrals. If I buy a particular product from a particular company, they are offering me a free gift along with it. What I do is I tell my friends, my colleagues, my family members to go and buy from that particular company, because they are offering a lot of free gifts, lot of benefits to the end user. Increased conversions. The conversions actually go up because I am actually becoming a kind of a spokesperson for that particular company and providing them the referrals, and this actually helps the companies get more and more conversions. Long-term relationship. I become a loyal customer, I become a regular customer to a particular brand, and this actually helps in building a long-term relationship between a company and the customer. And these are some of the immense benefits that companies actually get when they offer these loyalty programs to their valued customers. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a loyalty program, how loyalty program works, and what are the various immense benefits that the consumers, the customers, as well as the companies get out of these loyalty programs. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.